Imagine this. You are in a session with a client and everything seems to be going well until suddenly they hit a wall. They start reliving a past breakdown. Emotions flood in and you can see the pain written all over their face. It's at this moment that you realize this isn't just a random outburst. It's a part of a deeper pattern, a cycle that keeps repeating itself. But what if you could break the cycle right here, right now? Today I am going to show you exactly how to do that. Welcome back to another episode of Quick Tips for Therapists and Coaches. Today we are diving into a powerful concept, the breakdown cycle. Understanding this cycle is crucial for helping clients who seem stuck in repetitive patterns of behaviors and emotions. So, what exactly is the breakdown cycle? It's a repetitive loop where unresolved emotions and suppressed instincts lead to recurring breakdowns. This cycle often feels like an unending loop of distress and frustration. As therapists, our role is to identify and disrupt this cycle to promote healthier emotional responses. Now let's walk through a step-by-step process that you can use to help your clients break free from this cycle. Grab your notes because this could be a game changer for your practice. Start by asking your client to think of a specific event where they experienced a breakdown. This helps set the stage for deeper exploration. Next, guide them to close their eyes and take 3 deep breaths. This relaxation technique helps them to approach the issue with a calm and focused mind. Now, encourage them to mentally return to the event where the breakdown occurred. This step is crucial for reconnecting with the original emotional experience. Next, help them replay the event in their mind from beginning to end. This comprehensive review helps in understanding the breakdown fully. After they have replayed the event, ask them to notice the emotions they felt during the breakdown. Recognizing these emotions is key to understanding their impact. Next, guide them to explore if the breakdown resulted from a series of events where they suppressed certain emotions. This step reveals deeper emotional causes. Next, help them identify any instincts they curbed during those events. Did they want to confront the situation or avoid it? This recognition helps clarify internal conflicts. Once they've identified the instincts, have them review what they told themselves to suppress those instincts. What rules did they create to prevent expressing their true feelings? Next, encourage them to assess if these rules are still relevant or if they need updating. If the rules need to change, help them formulate new, more supportive rules. After assessing the rules, ask them to determine the skills and the emotional state needed to effectively express their instincts. This prepares them for future situations. Next, guide them to imagine handling a future event similar to the one where the breakdown happened with the new skills and states. This visualization helps test and solidify their new approach. Finally, bring them back to the present and ask them to open their eyes feeling fresh and wide awake, looking forward to finally being able to break the breakdown cycle. Congratulations! You have now learned a powerful process for breaking the breakdown cycle with your clients. This technique not only supports their emotional healing but also empowers them to face future challenges more effectively. If you are eager to expand your skills even further, consider exploring the Cognitive Hypnotic Psychotherapy Diploma. This advanced training integrates breakdown cycle techniques with other advanced therapeutic methods, providing a comprehensive approach to client care. Click the link below in the description to learn more about the Cognitive Hypnotic Psychotherapy Diploma and how it can enhance your practice. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more insightful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.